if you own a camper van, and more particularly in our case, a Jayco camper van, then there's something that you really need to check. We've just recently come back from a trip away, and when we come back, I always like to give our van a thorough clean. And as part of that, I went up onto the roof. I was going to go and polish the roof of the van, and I was really, really shocked to go and see that a series of rubber grommets, rubber seals on the roof, they were all failing. And yeah, with a failing seal, you know what that does, hey? It allows water to get into your vehicle. And so I very quickly had to come up with a solution. Like, that's a couple of the seals. There's 12 on this side, and I think there's 4 on the other. So over time, these seals can start to lift, they'll start to crack. I can get in. And now, I've got a nice hole. Spot where water can get into the vehicle. Something that none of us want. Let's give that a bit of a clean. And so the solution that I found, I went to Autobarn, and I bought a Champion handy pack of blank grommets, 12 millimeters. I've already been replacing some around the roof. They just go in and pop into place. Now, that's a good tight seal. That's what we want, a good tight seal. But if for some reason there's not a tight seal, then you'll need to get some sealant. So just to make sure they're perfectly sealed, and of course the sun comes out at just the wrong time, that's got a little bit of movement. So I purchased a Proxelli's roof and gutter sealant, which is also, I think it said on the pack, for automotive use as well. Pulls off. So I'm just going to I'm just going to carefully smear a small amount just around the seal. Just to make doubly sure that that is sealed. The grommets only cost about $10, $9 from Autobarn, and this wasn't overly expensive. I was probably around about the $10 mark as well. So yeah, be checking. If you've got a camper van, take a moment, climb up on the roof, because if I hadn't have done it, then in a couple of months' time I would have had a series of holes all across the roof of the van letting water in, and that would have just been such a tragedy to have happen. So that was a quick, easy solution to our problem of having failing grommets on the roof. It probably cost around about $40 to do all the grommets plus a bit of sealant. And it certainly gives a bit of peace of mind for us. So if you've got a camper van and it's getting a bit older, like ours is not quite 5 years old yet, so it might be worthwhile going and checking the roof, checking the seals on the roof to make sure that they are watertight. And also, could I just encourage you to go and check out another video of ours about finding rust on the roof of our van. So it is so worth taking that moment to go and check the roof, put in a little bit of time. It might save you a lot of heartache later on. And there goes the postie. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.